Dear student, how are you? Think you are well and safe. You are staying at home for COVID-19. I am Anjuara Khatun, Assistant Teacher of English, Baghat Girls High School. Today, I teach you English First Paper, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Here is a picture. In this picture, what do you see? I think you know this picture. This is the picture of Central Shahid Minar. Why do you know why was it built? I am helping you to know it. It was built to commemorate the martyrs of the historic language movement of 1952. Hundreds and thousands of people with floral wreaths and bouquets gather on 21st February every year to pay respect in a solemn atmosphere. So, please open page now. 33. Today I will teach you International Mother Language Day. Our today's topic is International Mother Language Day. Now, your duty is to read the text. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. It is a memorable day. It is a remarkable day, unforgettable day. Because in that day, the heroic song, the valiant song of Bangladesh sacrificed their lives for the cause of Bangla language, to establish Bangla language as a state language. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. Now, the day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. Laid down. Do you know what do you mean laid down? The martyrs who laid down. Laid down means sacrificed. Tribute. Tribute means homage. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. Struggle. Struggle means war. The seat of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protests continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. Its climax. Climax, do you know what do you mean by climax? Climax means key moment. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. Government outlawed. Outlawed means banned. All sorts. All sorts means all kind of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka universities defied the law, that is, defied means to refuse to obey, and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country, and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This enkindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. Now, dear student, we will learn some vocabulary. I am helping you to write it on the board. Admiration. Admiration means high regard. Climax. Climax means key moment. Enkindle. Burn something. Independence. Freedom. Learn from freedom from political control, by other countries. Outlaw. Outlaw means to make something illegal. Now, dear student, your duty is to write this word meaning on your khata. Now please open page number 34 and complete the chart. Now I am helping you to do this thing. helping you to write it. India, Pakistan was divided in 1947. India Pakistan was divided. 1948. What happened? Do you know? Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as Pakistan's only state language. In 1952, this year is very important in the history of the people of Bangladesh. Do you know? In this year, language movement took place. Language movement took place. Police killed Salam Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur, and Jabbar. On February 21st. Now your duty is to read it carefully. In 1947, India Pakistan was divided. 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as Pakistan's only state language. 1952, police killed Salam Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur and Jabbar on February 21st, and language movement took place. Now, dear students, we will do some matchings. Match the words with their meanings. Keywords is here tribute. Tribute. P-U-T-E. Tribute. B. Climax. C. Outlaw. D. Defy. E. Provoke. Provoke. F. Relent. E. F. G. Momentum. M-O-M-E-N-T-U-M. Here we find meaning of the word, but the word is not arranged way. But the meaning is not arranged way. Your duty is to rearrange the meaning. A. To cause. C-A-U-S-E. Cause. Verb. To stimulate. S-T-I-A-M-U-L-A-T-E. Stimulate. B. To refuse. To R-E-F-U-S-E. To refuse or to obey. O-B-E-Y. To give in. Give in. The ability. L-I-T-Y. Ability to keep. Increasing or developing. D-E-V-E-L-O-P-I-N-G. Developing. And add to show respect or admiration. The most exciting point. The most exciting point in time. G. To ban. Now I am helping you to write the answer. A plus or admiration. B plus F. That is climax means most exciting point here. C plus G. Outlaw means to ban. D plus B. Defy means to refuse to obey. C plus G. That is outlaw means to ban. D plus B. Defy. That is defy means to refuse to obey. E plus A. E provoke means to cause or to stimulate. F plus C relent keep increasing or developing. Dear students, I think you have understood the meaning, the words or their meanings, or you have matched it. Now our duty is to do some questions. Why do we observe? Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? The answer will be, we observe February 21st as the International Mother Language Day, to show respect the language matters. To show respect, the language matters. What happened? Our second question is, now I am give you your homework. What? I am giving you some questions and your duty is to do that questions at your home. What happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? And your second question is, the seed of independence was shown on 1952. Do you agree? Agree. Why? No more today. We will meet again in another class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.